Welcome in, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Guys, y'all see this? This is a Challenger. I want to say 2013 model. Okay, what I'm about to do, y'all see this, right? Okay, now the customer I guess she tired of hanging on to this, tracking this down just to put in here and start the car. Okay, now I guess some customers that's too much work for some customers, so they want an easier way. All right, so here's what I have, guys. This is a push button. Okay, now let me explain something to you guys. Let me show y'all what this is. This is actually the push button, PEM. All right, so what I'm about to do is convert this car from a key start setup to a push start setup. Now, guys, just so you know, this is not as simple as doing this. Put your feet on the brake. Yes. See, you're not going to start. Okay. This has to be programmed. All right. It has to be programmed to the car. Now, not only that, guys, every car is not equipped to handle such a device. Okay, so you will have to take your VIN. Now, if you just say you want to do this, just say you want to convert from a key to a push start. All right, what you need to do first is take your VIN, and you may have to visit or call a Chrysler dealership and see if your car even capable of taking such device, capable of converting such a device. All right, I've already done my homework. This car can accept this setup. All right, but I will then have to, once I set it up and program, it will have to be programmed. Okay, I'm converting the regular start system to a PEM, so that means the PEM would now be on the topology of the diagnostic. Okay, but I literally have to go in the system and tell Chrysler this car is now PEM. All right, so I'm hoping I'm explaining that right. If not, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, but for now, let me show you on the topology how this look without this versus this. All right, so we're gonna experiment a little bit, guys. All right, right now I'm gonna take a quick break. When I get back, I'm gonna be at the computer because look, I'm stepping on the brake, I'm pushing this, nothing happens. Now you can easily, if you have some fingernails, pull this back out. If you ever have problems with your push start, use your key. Yes, you will be. You're not going to disable starting in any way. All right. So, but for now, let's go. Let me go to a computer, and oh, by the way, guys, I don't know. This is not technically a DIY job, only because you will need a special scan tool, and you will need the security pin, the password. All right. Every car Chrysler product is equipped with a security passcode. The only way I know of at retrieving that code is through a Dodge dealership, Chrysler Dodge dealership parts department. You simply give them the VIN, show proof of ownership. They will and then give you such a code. Okay, they put it on a piece of paper. They would print it out for you or verbally tell it to you. That's where you would then be able to go in and program keys or anything like that. All right. So let's go to a computer, guys. Stay tuned. Hold tight. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm here at the computer, guys. Now, this is when we're talking about the PEM, push start. Okay, PEM, guys. PEM actually stands for passive entry module. Okay. Now, I have the topology pulled up, which means this system is already set in the system. The customer just bought the car, so she don't have a clue what's going on. But as you can see right here, that's already PEM set up on this car. So at this point, all I need to do is, let's click here. So let me show you. Flash, no flash, DTC. Well, all I need to do, miscellaneous function, this option here, PEM replace. Okay, that's where you put the new PEM in. In fact, let's go over this procedure. This function should be run when a new PEM ECU is installed or new fob keys are programmed or replaced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, Here's what it would do. It will program the VIN vehicle pin, transfer the secret key data, and transfer the key fobic ID to the PM. Ignition must be in the run position. All right, so that's what I'm getting ready to do, guys. In fact, I'm gonna have to go to the car, and then I'm gonna have to use my phone to do this. All right, so I will not be able to run back and forth. Best I can do for you guys is to get you some screenshots and explain exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so hold tight, guys. Let's get it.